Hello and welcome. My name is Sheena, and today we'll journey inward to nurture self-love and healing through our entire being. Over the next few minutes, allow yourself to settle in to a quiet and safe space. Science shows that consistency and meditation every day, even just 10 minutes a day, can rewire your brain for greater compassion, calmness, and resilience. The universe loves you exactly the way that you are, and so do I. Imagine this meditation as a daily gift to your mind, body, and heart. Now that our bodies are settled in, take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Let your body sink into the support beneath you and notice the weight of your body, the points of contact, and your muscles softening in. With each breath, feel yourself more present, more here, more open to love. And remember, the universe loves you exactly as you are. We will now begin a body scan and release. First, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension here and let it melt away. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Relax your jaw. Relax your temples. Relax your ears. And relax your tongue. Feel the tension slowly melt away from all of these areas. Slowly move down to your neck. Feel this area soften and release. Become aware of your shoulders. If you feel tension there, release it now. Move down to your arms, your wrists, your hands, and your fingers. Feeling any tension in these areas, release it now. Feel the warmth with each inhale and light flowing down through your body. Feel the tension melting away with every exhale. Now slowly move down through your chest, down through your ribs. Feel the tension melting away. Become aware of your back. Release the tension there now. Slowly moving down your abdomen to your belly. Release that tension. Your soft belly with each inhale, releasing that tension. Continue scanning down through your pelvis, down through your hips, slowly releasing the tension in all of these areas as you inhale and exhale. Now move down to your legs, your thighs, your knees, the back of your knees. Release all the tension here. Slowly move down to your calves, your ankles, your heels, the soles of your feet. Feel the tension releasing in all of these areas. Moving down to the balls of your feet. Each and every toe, feel the tension releasing in all of these places. Let your body become a vessel of peace. Now let's sit here and let this peace fill our body. Keep scanning your body If there's any areas where there's still tension, I want you to move your awareness to this place. Continue to breathe deeply into these spots. And with each exhale, release that pain and tension. Now, imagine a gentle golden light above your head. This light is warm, radiant, and loving. With every breath, this light flows down, filling you completely. It touches every cell, every molecule, bringing healing, calm, and self-acceptance throughout your body. Feel it dissolve. Dissolve all your fears, your doubt, your tension, leaving only behind love, kindness, and gratitude for yourself. Feel the universe, the love surrounding you, exactly as you are, and know that I am here with you in this space. Now, silently repeat after me. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of love. I am whole. I am whole. I am healing. I am healing. Let these words sink into your mind and your heart. Feel their vibration. Feel the energy moving through you. Remember, the universe loves you exactly as you are, exactly where you are. Now, let's take a deep breath in together. Inhale as deep as you can. And now, exhale. Slowly and gently. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. And release. Exhale. Now with your eyes closed, gently wiggle your fingers, your toes. Move your body slowly, bringing that awareness back into the present moment. Remember, consistency and practice, even just 10 minutes a day for 30 days, can completely rewire your brain, cultivating lasting self-love and resilience. Thank yourself for this gift. Thank yourself for the time you've given your body today. And when you're ready, open your eyes and carry this love with you. And remember, the universe loves you exactly as you are, where you are.